Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make the easiest dinner rolls. So if you want to learn how to make this super easy and delicious recipe, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin baking. Okay guys, so first we're going to begin by warming up our 1.5 cups of milk. I just placed mine in the microwave for 1 minute and 45 seconds. So once we have that, we're going to be adding our 3 tablespoons of butter and 4 tablespoons of shortening. And to that, I'm also going to be adding 3 tablespoons of maple syrup, or you can use honey. So now just mix it until everything has dissolved. Okay, and once done, now we can get ready to make our dough. I'm going to be using my stand mixer, but of course you can always knead with your hands. So to my stand mixer, we're going to add our 5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/3 cup of sugar, 2 1/4 teaspoons of yeast. Make sure that it is instant, and 2 teaspoons of salt. Going to begin to mix it. Okay, and once it has mixed, we're going to begin to add our milk mixture. Lastly, we add our 1 egg. Now we're going to be mixing on the lowest speed for 3 minutes. And after 3 minutes, we're going to turn up the speed to medium and allow it to continue mixing for 7 minutes. Okay, and after 7 minutes, our dough is ready. So we're just going to remove it from this bowl. Just going to remove the attachment. Okay, so our dough should be nice and soft. So we're just going to roll into a large ball. Okay, so now we're just going to transfer it to our grease bowl. Going to add a little bit of butter, just like that. Cover it and place it in a warm spot until it doubles in size. Okay, and once our dough has doubled in size, now we can get ready to shape our dinner rolls. So we're going to begin by getting the dough out of the bowl. Okay, I'm just going to fold it in to get rid of all of the air. Okay. Now I'm going to be cutting into 4 pieces. Okay, and I'm going to be working with 1 piece of dough at a time, just so like that my other dough doesn't dry out. Make sure you keep it covered. And now we're going to begin to shape our small ball of dough. So just roll your ball of dough. And I like to use my scale just so like that I make sure that all of my dinner rolls are nice and even. Now we repeat the process with the rest of our dough. Okay, so once we have shaped our dinner rolls, we're going to make sure that we keep them covered. Place them in a warm spot and allow them to double in size. Alright, and once they doubled in size, now we can get ready to bake them. So here we're going to preheat our oven to 350 degrees. I'm going to be making my egg wash, and that's just mixing 1 egg with 1 tablespoon of water. So just beat the egg. And now we're just going to brush our dinner rolls. And just make sure that you brush them all over. Okay, and once ready, we're going to pop them in the oven and allow them to bake for 25 minutes. And after 25 minutes, we get our dinner rolls out of the oven and brush them with melted butter. Now we're just going to allow them to rest for 10 minutes and then we can get ready to serve and enjoy. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how to make super easy and delicious dinner rolls. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Share with your friends and family, and if you work at this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.